If you're wondering how much it costs to actually make your own green juice at home, today I'm going to share with you how much these 2 bottles of delicious organic green juice cost me. Hi all, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of small kitchen appliance tutorials and meal prep hacks. So I love making organic, healthy vegetable juices at home with my juicer, and this has actually been such a great option for me because right now I am pregnant and I really need to maximize my nutritional intake. But if you've ever been pregnant before, like eating as much food as you need to is actually pretty difficult. So one thing I've noticed is that actually if I can juice the vegetables that I need to consume every day, then I can actually consume a lot of the micronutrients that are in the vegetables without having to fill up my stomach. Now I am getting fiber from other sources of food like whole grains and legumes, so I'm definitely still getting fiber. And if you didn't know that actually when you juice certain vegetables, there's actually both insoluble and soluble fiber in them. So the soluble fiber actually stays in the juice, and the insoluble fiber, like this, is what comes out of the juicer. So you are still getting some fiber when you are juicing. Now, I prefer to just juice vegetables. I don't like to juice fruits because I like to eat the fruits whole. So I do get fiber from eating whole fruits as well. But for my regular every week juice, what I've been doing is basically equal parts carrot juice, kale, and celery. Now, those are 3 super healthy vegetables that are really packed with a lot of micronutrients and vitamins and minerals. So I really like to just have those every week. And those are some of the least expensive vegetables to juice. So what I do for my juicing routine is basically I go to Whole Foods Market, and then I load up on those 3 vegetables, the carrot, kale, and celery. And I did a little tally just now that basically I think this is about 40 ounces of fresh, organic, cold pressed juice. And it cost me about $12.67. Now, that might not seem like a lot, but actually that's about like 5 days worth of vegetables for me. So I basically have about 3 to 5 days worth of vegetables depending on how much I want to drink. So if you break that down, that's about 250 to 350 per day of vegetables as juice. So it's actually pretty economical. If you're trying to even save even more money, you can opt for non-organic or maybe shop at a place that has even cheaper produce. But Whole Foods Market is just so easy because I can actually order everything online and then have somebody bring it out to my car, which has been a game changer for me because sometimes just getting to the grocery store is very difficult when you have children, and being able to have the Whole Foods Market employees shop for me and then bring it out to my car free of charge has been a huge game changer for me to be able to actually make this juice every single week. Now, I juice this about 2 times a week, so these bottles will last me about 3 to 5 days. Now, they say it's best to not really store fresh juice for longer than 3 days, but just kind of depends. I found it's fine at 5 days, but it's kind of up to you for your freshness. But I just basically do this 2 to 3 times a week with my cold press juicer. And I'll share links in the description below to my juicer and these bottles and where I purchased the bottles. The juicer was sent to me by the company as a review, and I love it so much. I've been using it every week, and it's been creating this really awesome juice. So anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Green juicing at home does not have to be expensive. This juicer is actually a very affordable budget juicer. It's cold pressed and it's super easy to dismantle, and I wash it in just like about a minute. It does not take me a long time. And I found actually a little trick is that I'll run the pulp through the juicer a second time after I've juiced it, and I get even more juice out of the pulp. So using a budget juicer, it doesn't have to be expensive to green juice at home. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out my Amazon storefront for all kinds of kitchen tools that I love using to meal prep for my family. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.